ones place, always that carry don't write on the ones place. You have to forward to the next place, that is on the tens place. Always you have to carry forward to the next places. Now let us move to multiply for the tens place. Now 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 how much? 12. From that again 12, 2 you people are writing down and 1 will carry forward to the 100 place. Don't forget to add the carry. That is also very important. Sometimes many children they are only multiplying and directly writing the answer. So don't forget to add the carry. Compulsory you have to add the carry. Now let us move for the next place, that is 100 place. 7 5s are 35. 35 plus carry 1, 36. Now both the number we are writing down because next place there is no number. Okay, so here our first step is over. After your first step complete, I always tell you please cut the carries by putting one line. So children, for the next step, again when you are multiplying with the tens place number, again some carries will come. So you should not do any mistake. That's why once your first step is over, you have put one dash on the carry. Now let us move for the second step. Now second step, you have to move for the tens place downside number. Now, I already told you when you are multiplying in the tens place number, ones place in the second step, always put one 0 compulsory. Now why you are putting this 0? Because now we will start multiplying with the tens place number. Now again with this, as usual you people have learned last time also, second step, that now you can start multiplying with the tens place number, that is 4. You are multiplying from ones, tens, 100, 1000 and so on. Always start from the ones place. So 4 4s are 16. Again from that 16, 6 you are writing down and 1 will carry forward to the tens place, children. Okay. Now let us move for the tens place. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus carry 1, 9. So you have to write here 9. Okay. Now let us multiply for the 100 place here. 4 7s are how much? 4 7s are 28. Now both the numbers you are writing down because front there is no number here. Here our second step is also over. Once your second step over, what you will do? Please put one dash on upside carry, because now you will start with the third step and chances there again you will get some carries. So you have to write proper carries. You should not mix carries for adding the numbers and all. Please keep in your mind. Now let us move for the 100 place number downside. Which number is present here? 3. Now with the 3 you have to multiply all the number upside. Now before starting with the 100 place number, now for the third step, compulsory you have to add now 2 zeros. One in the ones place and second in the tens place. Why we are adding now 2 zeros in the third step? Because now we will multiply with the 100 place number. Keep in your mind, compulsory you people have to write here 2 zeros now in the ones place and tens place, because now we will start multiplying with 100 place number. Now which number is present here? 3. Now let us multiply with the 3. Start with the ones place. 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. From the 12, 2 you are writing down and 1 will carry forward to the tens place, children, here. Okay. Now let us move for tens place. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus carry 1, 7. And now 3 7s are 21. So both the number you are writing down because here front number is not there. Now any further number is there here? No. So here our multiplication calculation is over. Now let us add this. So you are putting here plus sign. And now this all the numbers we have to add. Okay, children. Now always do the addition from the back side. That is from ones place only. So 0 plus 0 plus 0. How much you are getting? 0. Now let us move for tens place. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 0, 8 only. So you are adding here 8. Now let us move for the 100 place. 9 plus 2, 11. And 11 plus 6, 17. Now here 2-digit number is there. From that 17, children, This 7 you are writing ones place, you are writing down, and 1 we have to carry forward to the next number. Now this is the addition carry. So you people have to write in the addition place. I told last time also, when you are doing the addition and if you are getting any carry, that carry you people have to write here downside or either here in the upside in the addition part. Don't take that carry on the multiplication upside part. No, here only you are writing the multiplication carry. That is also very important. Now 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 3, how much children? 16 plus 3, 19. So 9 you are writing down and 1 will carry forward to the next place. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus carry 1, 4. And here you are writing as it is 2. So here we get our answer 2,49,780. Okay, so you can write here, so 724 multiplied by 345 is equal to 2,49,780 is our product. Again, once again, let me tell you, this is your multiplicand, this is your multiplier, and after calculation, whatever you are getting the result, this is called as our product. Is that clear? Keep in your mind, our first step is, as it is, you people know now. For the second step, add 1 0 in tens place and calculate again multiplication from ones to remaining number. Then for the third step, when you are multiplying with the 100 place, you have to write 2 zeros here. One in the ones place and in the tens place, because you are starting with the 100 place now for the multiplication. And afterwards you have to add. Don't forget to put the carries properly. Do the addition also number properly. Multiplication carry upside you write. Addition carry you can write here upside on the addition part or downside here. Okay. And once you are one step carry over, please put one line. Again for second step, if you get some carries after finishing, put one line, because here chances are there you to mix the carries and do the addition. Again, if a little mistake in multiplication, you may lose the marks. Otherwise, if you follow the proper step, multiplication problems are very easy, children. Okay, only here you require table should be perfect. You should compulsory write, do properly, you follow the steps, and after completion, once or twice, please check. Okay, let us try one more example. So I have taken such a number that in that number 0 is also there, 1 is also present, and other numbers are also there. Let us try now this example. As it is, our first step, which number is there in the ones place? Downside 1. With that 1, we are multiplying upside all the numbers from ones to tens, 100 and so on. So 5 ones are 5. Now let us move for tens place. 0 ones are 0. And then for the 100 place, 7 ones are 7. Any other number is there? No. So here there is no carry and all. So we people are getting answer 705 in the first step. Our first step is over. Now we are moving for the second step in the tens place. Before that, what we have to do in the second step? Tell, compulsory you have to add 0 in the ones place. Why? Because now we will multiply with the tens place number. Okay, which number is present here in the tens place? Downside number 2. Now with the 2, again you have to multiply with the same process. 2 5s are 10. Now from the 10, 0 you are writing down and 1 will carry forward to the tens place now. Now let us move in the tens place. 2 zeros are 0. 0 plus add 1 carry. You are getting the answer 1. So you people are writing here 1. Now let us move for the 100 place. 2 sevens are how much? 2 sevens are 14. So both the number you are writing down here, because here front there is no number. Now here our second step is also over. Means multiplication with the tens place number is also over. Now let us move with the 100 place number. Now before moving and starting with the 100 place multiplication, what we have to do in the third step, children? How many zeros we have to add? 2. Compulsory we are putting here 2 zeros. Ones place and tens place. And now we'll start with the 100 place multiplication. Which number is present in 100 place? Number 3 downside. Now let us multiply with 3 for all the numbers upside from the ones place. Now 3 5s are. First let me put one line on your first carries. Okay. Now 3 5s are 15. From that 15, 5 you write down and 1 will carry forward to the tens place, children. Now 3 zeros are 0. 0 plus 1, you are getting 1. Because any number with 0, addition, same number you are getting. Now 3 sevens are 21. So both the number you people are writing down because front here there is no number. So now we will do the addition of these all the numbers. Let us start doing the addition from our ones place. 5 plus 0 plus 0, 5. 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 3 you are writing, 1 will carry forward downside, or you can write here also, no problem. I said up or down, but in the addition part. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus carry 1, 6. 1 plus 1, 2, and 2 as it is. So here we are getting the answer 2,26,305. Okay, so we are writing, so 705 multiply by 321, the answer you are getting is equal to 2,26,305. So how to multiply with the 0, how to add the carry, I hope you people have understood now. Let us try one more example. It is a multiplication with 4-digit number. We are multiplying by 3-digit number. Process is same, only outside the places increase. Now same way, let us start with the ones place now. 6 8s are 48. From that 48, 8 you are writing down. 4 will carry forward to the tens place. Okay. Now 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 4, 34. From that 4 you are writing down. 3 you are taking carry for the 100 place now. Now 6 4s are 24. And 24 plus 3, 27. Do you carry forward to the 1000 place now. Now 6 7s are 6. Okay, now let us move for the 1000 place here. 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 2, 44. Now both the numbers you are writing down because further there is no number. Okay. Now here our first step is over. So put one line on your carries because again for the second step also you will get more carries upside. Now let us start with the second number in the tens place. Before that, add 1 0 in the second step. Put 1 0 in the ones place here because now we will multiply with tens place number. 4 8s are 32. So 2 you write here and 3 you take carry upside. Now 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 3, 23. From that 3 writing down and 2 will carry forward to the 100 place. Now let us move for the 100 place. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 2, 18. Again from that 18, 8 you are writing down and 1 will carry forward to the next number, children. Now 4 7s are, let us move for the 1000 place now. 4 7s are 28. 28 plus 1, 29. And both the numbers we are writing down because further there is no number. Here our second step completed. Let us put another dash on the second step now. Now let us move for the third step. Now third step means we are multiplying with the number present in the 100 place. Before that we have to put the 0 in the ones place and tens place because now we'll start multiplying by 100 place number. So which number is present in the 100 place? 2. With the 2 again you multiply in from the ones, tens, 100, 1000 and so on. Let us start now. 2 8s are 16. From that 16, 6 write down. 1 will carry forward to the next place, that is in the tens place. Okay. Now let us move for the tens place. 2 5s are 10 plus carry 1, 11 children. From that 11, 1 you write down and 1 will carry forward to the 100 place now. 4 2s or 2 4s 8. 8 plus carry 1, 9. So 9 you are writing here down as it is. Now let us move to the 1000 place. 2 7s 14. 14, both the numbers you people are writing down because upside now there is no number in after 1000. Okay. Now here our multiplication is over. Let us do our addition part now. Okay. Again, let us start addition from your ones place. 8 plus 0 plus 0 is 8. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 0, 6. Now, here, 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. From that 16, 6 you are writing down and 1 will carry forward to the next number, children. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. From that 14, 4 you are writing down. Again, carry your forwarding to the next number. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 19 plus 4, 23. From that 23, 3 you are writing down. 2 will carry forward to the next number now. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8. So you are writing 8 here. And 1 as it is will come downside. So here our addition calculation is also over, children. Now you can write. So 7458 multiply by 246. The answer you are getting here 18 lakh 34,668. Is that clear? So children, I hope you people have understood today's all the problems which we have solved by the 3-digit number we are multiplying. Please go through the exercise, practice and solve most of the problems. As much you will practice, that much you will become perfect. Go through all the steps properly, understand properly. So today we'll wind up our session here. Next time with new subtopic. Till then, bye-bye. Stay safe. Take care.